Hey everyone, I am Rajitha, working as Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we're going to see about predictive analytics. Let's move on to the subtopic, that is logistic regression. Logistic regression is one of the foundational technique in statistic and machine learning, especially used for binary classification problems. And the concept is sigmoid function, maximum likelihood, and predictive examples. The formula is P equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus z, where z is a linear combination of input features and E is Euler's number. The result P represent the probability that the given input belongs to the positive class, where z equal to 0. The sigmoid function output is zero point 0.5, representing a neutral probability as z increase or decrease. The output approach 1 or 0 respectively. This transformation is what gives logistic regression its powerful in classification. And the maximum likelihood is a method used to estimate the coefficient in logistic regression, unlike least square used in linear regression. And the predictive example is predict customer churn based on usage data. This demonstrate real-time applications. And the predictive example is one of the simplest yet powerful usage of logistic regression is in predictive customer churn. In the telecommunication industry, for example, companies are often interested in predicting whether a customer will discontinue their subscription. Here, the response variable is binary, 0 or 1. Inputs variables might include all duration, total monthly bill, service quality ratings, number of complaints, and so on. By applying logistic regression to this data set, the company can compute the probability of each customer churning. Once the probability are known, the company can set a threshold where all customers above the or labeled as high risk for churn. These customers can then be targeted with redemption strategies like loyalty, rewards, or discount. This real-time prediction capability helps companies minimize revenue loss by acting proactively. Logistic regression interpretability also helps them understand which features are most influential in churn. And the model building is data preparation, feature selection, model training, and key assumption. And the interpreting coefficient is understanding the coefficients in a logistic regression model is central to interpretation. The coefficient represent the change into log odds of the different variable for a 1 unit change in the predictor variable, holding all else constant. For example, a coefficient of zero point 0.4 for years of experience means that for each additional year, the log odds of being promoted increases by zero point 0.4. We often convert log odds to odds ratio by exponentiating the coefficient. Odd ratio is e power coefficient. If the odd ratio greater than 1, the variable increases the likelihood of the outcome. If less than 1, it decreases it. Positive coefficient indicate a positive relationship with the outcome, and negative coefficient indicate a negative relationship. For example, a coefficient of 0.182 implies that the odds ratio is around 1.2, meaning that the 1 unit increases in the features multiplies the odds by 1.2. This gives a clear intuitive understanding of how much impact a future has. And the model evaluation is confusion matrix, accuracy, precision, and recall. and ROC and AUC is nothing but receivers operating characteristic, and AUC is area under curve. For example, AUE of 0.85 indicate the model can distinction between the two classes 85% of the time. A higher AUC is preferred and signals good predictive power. ROC and AUC is especially useful when classes are imbalanced, providing a more holistic view than accuracy alone. And the practical consideration is overfitting, imbalanced classes, regularization, cross validation. And the application and summary is medicine diagnosing disease based on symptoms, and marketing is predicting purchase intended, and finances loan approval and credit scoring. It is a powerful interpretable model that is ideal for binary classification problems provided the data is clean and assumption are met. Thank you.